Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LDSR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And just want to quickly do a little update here as we head into the weekend. Not a whole lot of new things going on other than there seems to be a little bit more defined area of support. And that level of support is coming from, now if you still want to use 0.0185 as support, that works. But like I said, after we have had more data, it seems as though kind of that real level of support is right down there at 0.016. And to best illustrate that, you can see back here you acted as support, and then you fast forward today, and once again, I guess, yeah, technically speaking, the price did break below it, but that didn't last very long, and the price quickly shot back above it. And then just kind of combine that with a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. So was this 0.016 ever a level of resistance? Yeah, it absolutely was. You can see back here the price struggled to get above there a couple of times, and then when the price finally did get above it, that's where that the floodgates kind of opened up to the bullish side. So that makes sense. Classic rule of technical analysis. This resistance now acting as support. And then as far as kind of the current levels of resistance, there's two main ones that stand out. There's the shorter term one, and that is right here at that purple line. You can see that showed up today. Once again, yeah, the price got above it, but the breakout didn't last very long, and the price quickly shot back below it. So shorter term level right there, that purple line, the 50 period simple moving average, and then the next key overall level of resistance will be up at this red line that I've talked about before at 0.022. So all in all, not a terrible day today, not a great day, just kind of in technical jargon, a consolidation day. And the key point about that and what I want to end on is, sure, it was a consolidation day, but within the grand scheme of things, where is this period of consolidation happening? And I'll probably insult your intelligence, but it's happening up here, right? Where some previous times it consolidated? Well, here is a consolidation on the pullback. There's another consolidation. Here is some consolidation. You kind of notice a pattern. These consolidations, these quote-unquote boring periods keep getting higher and higher. And as long as the boring periods keep getting higher and higher, that's the name of the game, because that means an overall uptrend is being constructed. So yeah, past few days, probably not the most exciting, but assuming you care about the big picture of things, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So that'll be priority number one next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.